Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Pass question. Question number 61. The instruction to this question says choose from the options lettered A to E the one that most appropriately completes each sentence. And to use this instruction rather, to answer question 41 to 70. And question number 61 says the goalkeeper and captain of the team dash very well. The goalkeeper and captain of the team dash very well. Option A says are playing, B say play, C say playing, D say plays, E say we are playing. Very wonderful question. Under the rule of grammar, rule number 3 tells us that if two subjects are connected together, because in this statement we have two subjects. Subject 1 is goalkeeper and subject 2 is captain. So, and the rule says that if two subjects are connected together by coordinating conjunction and reference to the same person, the verb must be singular. So I actually expect that the examiner or the person who actually set this question to add what we call played. But now, since we have option A, are playing cannot, the adverbial phrase are playing cannot be the correct option to do. We cannot say the goalkeeper and captain of the team are playing very well. No, because the goalkeeper and the captain is one person. So our subject is singular. Our subject in this expression is what? Singular. The same person that is the goalkeeper is the same person that is the captain. That is what this statement is saying, that the goalkeeper and captain of the team dash very well. So since we have singular subject, then our verb must be what? Singular. So we need singular verb in this. So, and the singular verb here is option D, which says plays. So we can now say the goalkeeper and captain of the team plays very well. Now, to clear the doubt here is that this statement is different from the goalkeeper and the captain of the team dash very well. Dash very well. So now, so it's different from this. The goalkeeper and the captain dash very well. Now we cannot, in this one we can say that the goalkeeper and the captain of the team play very well. So the play here is plural, while the play here is singular. The difference is that the captain in this statement is different from the goalkeeper. It's not the same person. But in this particular expression, the goalkeeper and captain is one person. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.